Hi, you're watching Sinta Garden. My name is Aaron, and I make do-it-yourself videos and tutorials about gardening because I think there's something about gardening that refreshes your soul. Well, I said I'd do a video update, so here we go. Here's Clara, my giant watermelon. She's estimating about 18 pounds today. That's not great for a giant, but it ain't too bad. We'll see what happens. This was grown from seed from the 228 pound Kent in 2022. Now this is a traditional melon. It's not grafted, and it's doing okay. It was attacked or scratched by a raccoon because I use fish fertilizer in my garden. All right, moving along. This one here is the backup melon. I haven't really been keeping track of it, you know, how big or when it was pollinated, but that's the backup melon on the other plant. And this plant was grown from the same 228 pound melon. And this here is tomato, giant tomato, grown from the 5.2 pound Faust. It's a fused blossom, also known as mega bloom. You know, got a lot of these coming on, mega blooms, and some larger sized regular blooms. These here are supposed to be my Russian yellow elephant pepper, but they don't really look like the yellow elephants that I grew my first year in the garden. But they still look decent. They're nice looking peppers. These here are my Peter Glazebrook onions. You know, they're looking pretty big. Never mind the weeds. Garden's starting to get away from me a little bit, but it's okay. Here we got container potatoes in a bucket. They're looking pretty. A couple of the planters don't look so good, but this one looks pretty good. These are the snow white peppers from Serbia. These are King Star lemon starburst peppers. I think they're going to be off pheno, but that's okay. They'll still be delicious. And if you look in here, this plant's actually quite loaded with them. I wasn't aware of that until I actually got in there and looked at them. This is like a purple scorpion cross. I thought was caramel scorpion until I grew it out. And it's not really too loaded with them, but there's one in there somewhere if I can find it. There it is. Kind of hard to find on the camera there. There she is. Pretty pepper. I think I see one over here on the other side too. Way back there. Just coming on now. There's quite a few of them. Okay. Here I have a chocolate boot jalokia, also known as the chocolate ghost pepper. Quite a bit of them growing in there. So I'll be happy with that. These are some fun peppers here. We have Jay's Peach Ghost Scorpion. Them will be fun peppers. Them will be hot. These are supposed to be chocolate reapers. Not really seeing any tails. They should be nice and hot. Here we have a nice cluster of yellow reapers. I don't know, the pheno's These look different, but that's what I bought them as. Yellow Reapers. And of course, last but certainly not least, this is my wife's Sili Labuyo. It's just a little red pepper, like a red Thai pepper that she likes to eat. And actually, out of all my peppers, I think these are the prettiest when they start, when the peppers start ripening. The red looks really nice on these. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.